Stem cells, the ethical dilemma. What are stem cells? Stem cells are undifferentiated biological cells that can differentiate into specialized cells and can divide through mitosis to produce more stem cells. They are found in multicellular organisms. In mammals, there are two broad types of stem cells: embryonic stem cells, which are isolated from the inner cell mass of blastocysts, and adult stem cells, which are found in various tissues. What can stem cells do to help the world? Stem cell research and ethical dilemma. Embryonic stem cells offer hope for new therapies, but their use in research has been hotly debated. Different countries have chosen to regulate embryonic stem cells research in very different ways. Mention embryonic stem cells in the pub, and the topic still divide opinion. Blood cells. Red blood cells, also erythrocytes, make up about 40% of the blood's volume. Red blood cells contain hemoglobin, protein that gives blood its red color and enables it to carry oxygen from the lungs and deliver it to all body tissues. Oxygen is used by the cells to produce energy that the body needs, leaving carbon dioxide as a waste product. Red blood cells carry carbon dioxide away from the tissues and back to the lungs. When the number of red blood cells is too low, anemia, blood carries less oxygen and fatigue and weakness develop. When the number of red blood cells is too high, enthrocytosis, as in polycythemia vera, blood can become too thick, which may cause the blood to clot more easily and increase the risk of heart attacks and strokes. White blood cells, also called leukocytes, are fewer in number than red blood cells, with a ratio about 1 white blood cell to every 600 to 700 red blood cells. White blood cells are responsible primarily for defending the body against infection. There are 5 main types of white blood cells. Muscle cells, bone and liver cells. Muscle cells is a soft tissue found in most animals. Muscle cells contain protein filaments of actin and myosin that slide past one another, producing a contraction that changes both the length and shape of the cell. The muscles are the cells that produce force and motion. Hepatocyte is a cell of main parenchymal tissue of the liver. Hepatocytes take about 70 to 85% of the liver mass. Bone cells are cells found in the bone. There are 5 basic types of bone cells found in the bone tissue. There are bone cells that are responsible for the reaction of the body to fracture and trauma, and there are those that secrete chemical compound that bones are made of. All bone cells found in our body have specific functions. All of them are necessary for the bone to develop and grow. They are also needed to retain the bone strength. What is a blastocyst? The blastocyst is a structure formed in the early stages of every mammal. It possesses an inner cell mass, which subsequently forms the embryo. The outer layer, the blastocyst, consists of cells collectively called the trophoblast. This layer surrounds the inner cell mass and fluid-filled cavity known as the blastocyst. The trophoblast gives rise to the placenta. The end.